We are in our infusible ink era. Let's get started. It's Romeo Wednesday. Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda and Morgan. As you can see, I have my daughter Morgan here with me today. She is going to do the full tutorial for this Romeo Wednesday. She's using infusible ink and she is going to demonstrate how to make luggage tags for our upcoming vacation. Now, I'm sure she is going to take you step by step through this full process. I have no doubt about that. At the end of this video, if you find it helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now, without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Morgan and she is going to take you through the tutorial.
For this project, I'll be using the Siser Romeo, 2 different patterns of Cricut Infusible Ink. These are the luggage tags that we'll be sublimating on. These are the hardware pieces. We're using a Cricut brayer, heat protectant gloves. This is a Siser mat. I'll also be using butcher paper, and for the heat press, I'm using the 16 by 20 Walla press. All right, now we're gonna head into Leonardo Design Studio. Okay, I'm in Leonardo Design Studio, and the first thing I'm gonna do is go right here to the square and add it to the grid. I'm gonna click escape. And since I'm already using the color pink, that's fine. So this one will be for me. And then I'm going to resize it to a width of 2.75 and a height of 4. Okay, since I'm making 2 of these, I'm gonna duplicate this. So I'm gonna right click and then click on edit and add copy. And then I'm just going to change this color to gray. And then now what I'm going to do is go down here to add text. And for mine, I want my font to be Lakeside, and I'm just going to put my name. And then I'll resize it to however big I want it to be. And then I'm going to change the color to white of the letters. And that's how I want mine to be, nice and simple. Now I'm going to select the entire thing and then go down here to this icon and remove front. And now I can move on to my mom's. So I'll do the same thing and add text. And the font that she wanted is called Bouncy. And here it is. And she wants hers to say Delonda is in vacay mode, which is true. And I'm going to apply that. And I'm just going to change the color just because she's not a pink person. And then resize it to how big I want it to be. And I'm going to keep in mind on the luggage tag, there's like a hole at the top right here. So I don't want to get too close to it. And I'm going to keep it just like that. And then I'm going to select both, go back down here to the icon, and then remove front. And now I'm ready to click Send Design. Send. And then when you're doing this, make sure you mirror it. It looks like these are already mirrored, so that's perfect. And now I will send it to the cutter, and everything else I'll do will be back on the camera. Okay, so for my mom's luggage tag, I'm going to be using this pattern right here. And I'm going to place it on the mat face up, so the square side is going to be down on the mat. And I'm just going to use the brayer to make sure it's on the mat nicely. Alright, now we can just load it into the machine. So I have the mat in here, and then I'm going to pull the lever up in the back to lock it in place. And then we have the cut speed on 10 and the force on 60. And now I'll send it to the cutter. This design is cut out. I'm just going to cut the excess around it, and I have mine going right now. Okay, so I have both of them cut out, and now I'm just going to weed out the letters. You can't really see them on here, but I can definitely feel them. So I'll just take them out. And here's how mine looks, and now I'm gonna do my mom's. I'll speed this part up. Okay, so while the heat press is heating up to 400, I'm gonna go ahead and get the images taped down to the blanks. So here's the first one. I'm just going to take the design and place it right where I want it to be. And then I'm going to take some heat resistant tape to tape it into place. I have them both taped down, and then I have some more butcher paper right here, and then what I'm going to do is flip these over. Just like that. And then I'll press these for 60 seconds. Alright, it's time for the reveal. I have the gloves on because I don't want to burn myself. Let's see. Ooh, that's a good sign. Let's do mine first because mine is simple, so I'll save the best for last. Look how vibrant that is. Pink is my favorite color, and this is beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna do my mom's. Hopefully it's good. Okay, so here's my mom's, and we're gonna be honest, we're not the biggest fan, but I'm gonna make her another one, so we'll have redemption. But just gonna show y'all what it looks like. Gotta keep it real. But yeah. Okay, I'm back with take 2. Hopefully this will be our redemption round. This is the new pattern we're gonna use, and I think it will be good. I have my fingers crossed, so I'm gonna do the same thing, just tape it down with the heat resistant tape. Just like last time, we have our butcher paper down here. We're gonna take this and flip it over and press it for 60 seconds. It's done pressing, and now we're going to see. I have the gloves back on. Here we go. Now that is great. That is perfect. Look at how vibrant that is. Wow. That is really good. Look at that. So here are the 3 we made today. And now I'm going to add the hardware pieces. We have made it to the end of the video, and here's what it looks like on my suitcase. Here are the other 2. I definitely love the way these turned out. I do want to say, when you are weeding out the infusible ink, just be patient and try to use a thicker font so it's easily noticeable for like when you're at baggage claim or something like that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my mom's channel, and turning on the bell for notifications because she does upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye!